She stands tall in New York Harbor, a symbol of freedom, hope, and democracy. Statue of Liberty is one of the most famous tourist attractions in New York City. Every year, almost 4.4 million visitors visit her. But how did she come to be? In this video, we will share the story of the Statue of Liberty. The story begins in 1865 in France. A French historian and abolitionist, Edouard René de la Boulaye, had a vision. He wanted to celebrate the centennial of American independence and honor the shared ideals of liberty between France and the United States. His idea inspired sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, who began working on an ambitious project, which was a colossal statue, unlike anything the world had seen before. Bartholdi designed the statue, but he needed a strong framework to support it. Here comes Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind the Eiffel Tower, who engineered the internal iron structure. Between 1875 and 1884, the statue took shape in France. Over 300 copper sheets were hammered into place to form her majestic figure. But how do you transport a 151-foot statue across the ocean? Simple, you took it apart. In 1885, the statue was disassembled into 350 pieces and packed into 214 wooden crates. It was then shipped to New York aboard the French vessel Isoray. Excitement spread through America, but there was a problem. The pedestal was not ready. Building the pedestal required funding. That's when newspaper publisher Joseph Pulitzer stepped in. He launched a fundraising campaign urging everyday Americans to contribute. More than 120,000 people donated, many giving just a few cents. By 1886, the pedestal was ready, and the statue was reassembled on Liberty Island. At last, she was home. On October 28, 1886, a grand ceremony was held. President Grover Cleveland dedicated the statue, declaring, "We will not forget that Liberty has made her home here." The statue represents Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom, holding a torch in one hand and a tablet inscribed with July 14, 1776 in the other hand. She wears a crown with 7 spikes, symbolizing the 7 continents and the oceans. Broken chains at her feet represents the end of oppression and tyranny. The statue became a symbol of hope. For many, the first glimpse of Lady Liberty meant a new beginning. Over time, the statue faced wear and tear. In 1986, for her 100th anniversary, she underwent a massive restoration. A new torch covered in 24-karat gold leaf was installed, shining brighter than ever before. She was a gift from one nation to another, but her message belongs to the world. I hope the video was informative for you. Please subscribe to stay tuned.